Thanks for joining us today. Grab some dumbbells. We've got a great 10-minute workout for you. This is a 10-minute dumbbell workout. My name is Brad Boggs. I'm the owner of BeneFitness. This is my wife, Kori. She's the lead trainer and wellness director at BeneFitness. Here at BeneFitness, we do 10-minute workouts. We do 30-minute workouts. We also provide you with nutritional tips and tricks. We're a corporate wellness company, personal training, many other things, all fitness here in Portland, Oregon. We're providing these workouts for you on YouTube. All right, enough talking. Grab your weights. Let's jump right into it.
No warm-up, 10 minutes of work. We're gonna do 4 exercises, 3 times through, 40 seconds on with a 10-second transition. I don't like to call it a rest because you're not really resting. First exercise is we're going to do a clean to a squat to a press. We're gonna clean, we're gonna catch the weights, we're gonna squat, press overhead, right back down. So weights between your legs, you're gonna clean it, squat it, catch it, and press it. That's exercise 1. Exercise 2, you're gonna give me a push-up. Legs nice and wide, you're gonna be a push-up. We're gonna row right, we're gonna row left, elbow to your side, right back to your push-up. Exercise 3, we're standing right back up. We're doing a reverse lunge, we're curling at the bottom, staying longer in that lunge with that curl, alternating legs. Final exercise, we're gonna do a ski swing. I'll come first forward for you, so your hips back. We're gonna reach all the way overhead to a nice overhead extension. Swing those weights behind you, overhead, sideways, hips back, overhead. I'll give a modification if that feels uncomfortable for you when we get there.
Let's do it.
All right, 40 seconds to get started. Grab your weights. We're doing this in 5 seconds. Legs kind of wide, your weights are between you. We're gonna clean it, squat it, press it overhead. Right back down. Nice, quick, powerful movement. Make sure when you squat, don't let those knees cave in. Don't forget you're cleaning. Squat, Brad, squat. He's just cleaning and pressing. He's taking away the squat. Come on, clean, squat, press. Knock it out.
I'm used to heavier weights with the clean, so.
Yep. Well, we have dumbbells today. You just use whatever you have. If your weights are heavier, you'll obviously go a little bit slower. If your weights are kind of light, do the movements a little bit faster. All right, down onto the ground. Let's do our push-ups to our rows. Make sure your legs are a little bit wide. Otherwise, your hips are gonna dance when you do your rows. So push up, pull just your elbow to your side, right back to your push up. Make sure, I often see my clients when they do these rows, I'll turn sideways, is they overextend those elbows, reach all the way to the ceiling. Your elbows just to your side, it's like a 90-degree angle. Focus on perfect push-ups. Hips stay square, pull elbow to your side, shift your weight, elbow to your side for a row. Down and up, 13 seconds. Keep that pelvis tucked under, quads are squeezed nice and tight. Your whole body is engaged in these rows. Even in your push-up, you're a moving plank. Almost there. All right, up. Come on, it's only 10 minutes, get up. We're doing lunges and curls. So you're curling at the bottom of your lunge. Ready? Reverse lunge, stay low in that lunge, curl, switch. Come on, move it quick. It's only 40 seconds. If your weights aren't too heavy, you can move faster. If they're super heavy, slow it down. If they're too heavy to do curls, just do lunges. You have to utilize with what you have to make this workout challenging and good for you for 10 minutes. Come on, let's do this. You have 12 seconds. Focus on those curls, those lunges. Most of your weight should be in the front leg when you lunge. Don't put too much in the back. 3, 2, 1, and rest. All right, our ski swings. So your hips go back, it's kind of like a deadlift. Hips go back, but we're using these weights and we're reaching all the way overhead, overhead extension. Complete overhead extension. So hips back, pause overhead, squeeze your glutes. If this feels uncomfortable for you, hold your weights to your side and just give me an RDL, Romanian deadlift, down and up.
Power those hips forward.
Yep, good. Reach for the sky. When you're overhead here, tuck your ribs down, squeeze your bum. Don't arch your back. You have 18 seconds.
Just working your glutes.
Good. Use power to throw those weights behind you. hips forward, weights overhead.
We see this motion with the kettlebell swing.
2, 1. All right, our clean to presses. Clean to squat. Don't forget squat, Brad.
Squat.
Squat.
Round 1 done.
It's only 3 rounds. Squat, clean, squat, press, right back down. Come on, knock it out. When you clean, it's not really like a bicep curl. You use power, kind of throwing the shoulders up, catching it at your shoulders.
Coming underneath it.
Yes, good cue. Underneath those weights. Use your legs to power those weights overhead in your squat. We're not breaking your squat. We're not squatting and then pressing. We're using the weights, kind of thrusting them up into the sky. 5 seconds. Come on, you can do it. Give me one more. Finish it out. Whew, all right, down to the ground, push up to rows. So start with your feet a little bit wider to feel a little more comfortable. Keeping those hips square. Pull your elbow to your side, elbow to side. If a straight push-up or it's uncomfortable or you can't quite get all the way down, come to your knees. You can do the same thing. I'll come sideways so you can see me. So I'm at my knees. I'm gonna push up. Then I'm gonna come to my plank. Pull right, pull left. Back down to my knees if you need. Or do your full push-ups the whole time. You have 12 seconds. Hips stay square in that row. Last one, 2, 1, up. Curl, curl, lunge and curl. Work those guns. Ready? So stay at the bottom. When you lunge, 70% of the weight should be in that forward leg. That back leg should not take a lot of your weight. If you're starting to feel it in your back knee when you lunge, it's because you're pushing from that back toe to come to standing. Make sure your weight is in your front leg.
I always tell my clients that that back leg is like your rudder. It's just helping you, guide you back, but keeping that weight in that front leg.
Good analogy. Come on, you guys, you have 8 seconds. 5, give me a few more. All right, swing them out. Dropping those weights, are you?
Just give my arms a little break.
Arms are getting tie-tie. Ready? Swing it.
They're sore from the rest of the week.
Overhead.
That's okay.
Hips back. Thrust those hips forward. Squeeze your glutes so I'm not hips forward, arching my back. My ribs stay down. My glutes are tucked under. Too often we see a lot of people hips forward, arches back. Back is arched, arches back. Who knows what comes out of my mouth sometimes? 10 seconds. Big chest, even as you hinge, don't round your back. You should not have a rounded back.
One more round, let's do it.
You're almost done. So fast, so quick. Clean, squat, press. Feet are nice and wide. Press it. Get low in your squat. Power it up. That squat to press. Use power from your legs to push those weights overhead. Try not to break your movement. Strong core at the bottom of your squat. Brace your torso. Kind of like you're gonna get punched in the gut. You have 5 seconds. Come on, give me one more. 2, I'm gonna give one more. Finish it out. All right, onto the ground. Push up to rows. On your knees or a straight plank push up, it's up to you. Whatever you can do good form in for 40 seconds. If your form breaks down, go to your knees or slow it down and just give me quality reps. You've got this, you guys. Push and row.
Hands should be right underneath your shoulders.
You have 13 seconds. Pull yourself to the ground when you do a push-up. Don't just drop. You're pulling to the ground, you're pushing away. All right, 2 more. Lunge and curl. When you lunge, try not to come to your toe of your front leg. You should not shift your weight forward into that toe. Sit into your heel, curl. Then sit into your heel, curl. More time under tension on that leg because we're curling at the bottom. We're staying there for an extra second. You're over halfway. You have less than a minute left of work, and you did your 10-minute super fast, super quick, super good workout. You have 3. Woo, all right, finish up with those swings. Use good movement. Remember not to arch your back. These ribs tuck down, especially when you're overhead. If going overhead is not doable for you, you feel like you don't have the range of motion to go all the way overhead, you stop here, just go to shoulder height and right back.
Drive those hips forward if you've ever done a kettlebell swing. Similar motion.
We have 15 seconds. Last 10. Hip stack. Squeeze glutes, hips forward. You have 5. And 3. Come on, give me a couple more reps. Woo! That's it. Your dumbbell workout done. Your 10 minutes is done. Great work. Go check out one of our other videos. We have even like a mobility stretching video. Might be great to do after this. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, leave feedback. We always love to hear from you. Go check out our videos. I'm gonna tell you that again. Go do it. We'll see you next time.